Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Walkie Talkie. It's not only for kids, but of course it is for kids, because it is so easy to operate with that. But this is good for adults too, or elders. Really cool. Here it is. We have a 3-pack of AWANFI 8-channel long-range kids walkie-talkie with flashlight. It is a USB-C walkie-talkie for camping, for cycling, for hiking, and it's a nice gift for girls and boys, and so on. The walkie-talkies here features include an upgraded lithium battery, from which we can get up to 24 hours of battery life on a single charge. With the USB charging cable, we can recharge our walkie-talkies in 3 different ways. For example, via the power bank, via a car charger, and as shown in that video here, in a 5-volt USB main charger. And of course, you can also use your computer for it, because it's USB powered. This walkie-talkie features 8 channels and 99 CTCSS, from which we can get safe and actively communicate. It also allows children to communicate remotely in groups, easily and away from unwanted interruptions. The keypad lock functions prevents children from changing the channels, that they can more happily make their outdoor games and an exciting adventure with others. And these walkie-talkies here can offer a maximum communication range of approximately 3 kilometers, in open countryside, of course, in ideal conditions, of course, and up to 1 kilometer for free use in the city, for example. But this is a long range, I think. The presence of the obstacles, frequency and climate conditions can influence the range of the signal. It is recommended to hold the talkie vertically and use the device at height for a better experience. And these walkie-talkies here are equipped with the built-in flashlight, which allows us, and our children of course, to have more fun at night. And this opens a world of possibilities in outdoor adventures. Thanks to the SOS function, we will be able to respond to emergencies more easily. We simply press and hold the SOS button to activate the flashlight and emit a loud warning tone. Also notify our companions quickly who are on the same channel. And it's rechargeable. They are compact and lightweight, and it can fit comfortably in children's hand with an ergonomic design. The walkie-talkie doesn't really on cell towers to transmit. Kids can simply press the PTT, push to talk button to talk. Thanks to the VOX function, the walkie-talkie can trigger by sounds of the voice in the VOX mode. Children can thus be in contact with their friends at any time, even if their hands are, of course, not free. No problem for it, because you can make a cool independent walkie-talkie thing with this 3-pack. This is an ideal gift for kids. If we want our child to build the communication skills while having fun, the AWANFI GL528 Kids Walkie-Talkie will be a good choice that offers a great value for the money. And the rechargeable battery is equipped with a built-in 1000 mAh lithium battery and a 3-in-1 USB charger cable. No longer to worry about replacing the batteries. It is making communication more enjoyable and outdoor activities more joyful for family and friends. And it's compact and lightweight. The walkie-talkie is ergonomic designed for fit in the smallest hands comfortably. The included belt clamp and a lanyard give us more ways to wear it and communicate hands-free with the VOX function. The walkie-talkie is triggered by the sound of the voice, so everyone can use those, be in contact with their family or friends at any time, even if their hands are not free. And it's convenient to use in outdoor activities for a home, and it can also be used with the SOS function to provide more safety. What we have on each device. We have an antenna built on the top side. The Type-C charging port is on the top side. We have the flashlight on the top side. On the front side, we can see a display screen, an SOS button, volume menu app button, power menu button, flashlight, scan button, and of course, on the bottom side, the speaker. Then we have on the left side of the device, the push-to-talk button, volume menu down, call, tone, lock, and the microphone. The PPT, push to talk button, we press and hold the button to talk. Release the button to finish talking. And then we have the call tone or the lock button. Briefly press the button to send a call tone. Long press the button to lock and unlock the keypad. And we have a power and menu button. We briefly press the button to enter the menu settings. Long press the button to turn on or off the walkie-talkie. And flashlight and a scan button. Briefly press the button to turn on or off the flashlight. Long press makes the scan for channels. And volume up and volume down. Of course, there in non-menu setting state, briefly press the button to increase the volume or get it down. In menu setting state, briefly press the button to set related functions, and that means go up and down. And there is an SOS button. We press and hold the button to turn on the SOS feature. The flashlight sounds will begin to start in the form of an SOS, and we can briefly press the BTT button for an exit. And on the screen, we can see the channel and the menu indicator, the codes, call tone numbers, then the transmitter receiver indicator, the keypad lock indicator, volume level indicator, battery level indicator, scan indicator, and the Fox indicator. Easy peasy, isn't it? That's easy to use the AWANFI Walkie Talkies. These are available, as you can see, in 3 different colors in a big set. And that's a good thing, because alone with the walkie-talkie is not good. So you will get here 3 of them in nice colors. Purple, orange, and yellow. They look really beautiful and nice. These are the AWANFI walkie-talkie set, GL528. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.
Roger, Roger.